Vita Locub Gaming. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Vita Locub Gaming. So today we're playing Star Squishy Magic. So sorry about the background. It's just Spirit. Sorry, it's actually really loud. So yeah. I'm just gonna say six. Okay. So this is basically a game. You're meant to play, design, get gifts. No, not that. This. She is Emmy. If you haven't watched it, then I am so disappointed in you guys. It is Mariah Elizabeth. Me. She's like so good. She's like the best artist ever. Anyways, which one should I squish? So these are gifts from my sister. There's a cat. There's a avocado. Smiley. There's a panda, clock, chocolate, princess, mermaid, dog, and then I've made Narwhal, icy pole, strawberry, panda, mermaid, pickle, which is one of Maria Elizabeth's designs. A mistake, that's just an which I should actually say princess, rainbow, unicorn, rainbow, whatever, I don't care. Let's make another one. Ooh, let's just do everything yellow. Then I know what to design. I think swirls will be the best. Let's do that. Maybe not that. Star? Yeah, no. Do like a plane. Actually, alright. Let's. Oh yeah, I like that. And now let's get swirls. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Okay. Now let's go. Something oceany. Oceany. There's nothing, so I think I'll do that. Okay. Okay, where is it? Sorry. Alright. The unicorn's pooping, people! Alright. Okay. Okay. This is actually fun. Purple. I like that. That. Okay, clay. Oh, I get a. Oh, great. I hate getting. Alright, let's do an order. Sorry, I've been like so quiet. Just the TV's really distracting me because of Llama Gaming. She's watching this stupid show.
Oh, you watch it, Vita?
No, I don't. Anyways, so yeah,
Yeah, you
she's
do,
just
Vita.
watching this stupid show. No offense to people who like it. Okay.
Spirits run free. So come along, let's go along. Come on, let's run, baby. What? It's gotta be. Oh, what am I going to tell Jim?
Tell Jim about what?
Okay.
About the raccoon that broke into our kitchen and, well,
Um.
I lost my wedding ring. I thought it was in one of the jars, but we went through them all, and I just. What?
Okay.
April Fools?
Okay. What? Oh.
You got me. This is never coming off again. Thank you for your anytime.
That's. Oh, I actually get a plane. So let me just put the volume.
Something else I need to tell you.
No more raccoons? Wait, were there actual raccoons?
Okay.
No. Jim, we're going to have a baby.
Nice. April Fools for you too.
Okay.
April Fools?
No, not April Fools.
Okay. Let's do one more.
My father planned. What happened to you? Abigail got me good as what? I'm the print queen. That's perfect. Because we have one last prenticle. The biggest, most sensational April Fool's prank in the history of time. On who? Maricela. But Maricela hates pranks. Yeah. But people change.
I think I'm gonna stick here. Black, purple, blue, black, purple, blue. What? Okay, there. As.
But no harm's done in it. Ignoble son, look at this. I'm walking down the road you say, and I'm wondering.
Okay. Okay.
No, your eyes do not deceive you. I, Maricela Molina Gutierrez,
Okay, anyways, back to thanks so much for my video. Please subscribe and give me a massive like. I'm sorry about my stupid show. It sucks so much. I know my sister just really wants to watch it, and if you're wondering, who's your sister? My sister is Llama Gaming. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for my video. Please subscribe. And I'm sorry about the background noise.
And if you subscribe to Llama Gaming, not
And
Beta Loco Gaming.
subscribe to me, Beta Lockup Gaming, and Mountain Rose Gaming. Bye!